everyone, Brad here with StartRestoringHeadlights.com, and welcome back to another video. Got something a little special for you guys today. This is I think it's a 2013 Toyota Rav4, and you can see we got a headache on our hands here. So I spoke to the customer. She said that it had the yellow oxidation, like the thin yellow haze, like majority of the Rav4s have. They're very, very easy the majority of the time whenever I get the Rav4s, because it's just that thin layer of oxidation. So she actually said that she sprayed bug spray on the headlight, and it was good for a little bit. It came out clean, but this is the result of applying bug spray on the headlight. This side I started, you can see it was pretty severe right here, pretty bad. So, and that stuff is like really, really thick. It's on there. I started with a 320 on it because I tried with the 400 and I wasn't getting anywhere, so started with the 320, and it's starting to come off very, very easy. So this is exactly why you should not be putting bug spray on the headlights. So luckily I don't think it's damage to the lens. I'm not exactly sure, but once I completely remove everything, I'll be able to see much better. You can see right here it's all pretty much removed, but let's go ahead and finish it up. So I got all that stuff removed. I'm now moving on to the 600, and this is another reason why it's dangerous for you to apply bug spray on the headlight, is because even me, someone who's experienced, even I wasn't 100% sure how to fix it right off the bat. I started with the 400, didn't work, so I moved on to the 320, and anybody in the area, whether it be a shop or a detailer, wouldn't really have the experience to know how to properly restore this after having bug spray on it. So they probably would have replaced the headlight had they not have me, because I don't think anybody would really know how to restore this.
here is the finished result. We were able to remove all of that leftover bug spray, the stuff that solidified. It was a little difficult. Use the 320 and finish with the 600 before applying the clear coat. There's still some very, very, very small scratches, but other than that, it came out perfect. So, thanks for watching.